In this lesson, I'm going to do a few more examples on the binomial expansion. This is the part 2 of the binomial expansion lesson. And here we are going to deal with two new formulas. The first one is when you have 1 minus x to the power of negative n, for n belongs to positive integers and x lies between negative 1 and 1. The expansion of this is 1 plus nx plus n times n plus 1 over 2 factorial x square plus n times n plus 1, n plus 2 over 3 factorial x cube, and so on. And this is the rth term, so n into n plus 1, tr plus 1. So this is n into n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus r minus 1 over r factorial x to the power of r. So this is your tr plus 1 term here. Similarly, for 1 plus x to the power of alpha, where alpha is a rational number, p over q. Q is the notation for rational number, and x is between negative 1 and 1. The expansion is 1 plus alpha x plus alpha times alpha minus 1 over 2 factorial x square, and then alpha times alpha minus 1, alpha minus 2, x cube over 3 factorial, and so on. And similarly, this is your tr plus 1 term for this expansion. So now we have to find the few examples on where we use these expansions formulas. Expand the following up to the terms in x cube. Square root of 1 plus 2x for absolute value of x is less than 1 over 2, which means x is between negative half and half. Okay. Now, before we start an expansion, you change the radical sign into an exponent form, 1 over 2. Now, the formula for this one is, we are going to use is 1 plus x to the power of alpha. So here, 1 plus alpha in this case is going to be half. So that is half times, instead of x, we have 2x. So 1 plus half into 2x plus half. So you can write down alpha is half, and in this case, x is 2x. So half into half minus 1 over 2 factorial, 2x whole square, plus 1 over 2 minus 1, 1 over 2 minus 2 over 3 factorial, and then 2x whole cube. Since we have to do only the first three terms, so we'll stop there, put plus and dash, dash, dash. So this is 1 plus, now this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so this is 1 plus x plus get 1 plus x minus 1 over 2 x square plus 1 over 2 x cube, and so on. Since they ask up to x cube, so that is your expansion. The next one is 2 over 1 minus 3x. So again, first you rewrite that as 2 into 1 minus 3x to the power of negative 1. And now the expansion which you are going to use for this one is 1 minus x to the power of negative n, which is equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n plus 1 over 2 factorial x square, n into n plus 1 over n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial x cube. Okay, and again you have to expand till x cube, so always write down the formula first and then start inputting the values here. So here your n is 1 and x is your 3x. So that's the difference here. So you'll start with 1 minus 1 into 3x plus 1 into 1 plus n is 1 into 2 into 3 over 3 factorial 3x whole cube. And now when you expand this, you will get 1 minus 3x. N in this case is, because we are using the expansion 1 minus x to the power of negative n, right? So here you have 1 plus 1 2 over 2 factorial into 9x square plus 1 into, this will get cancelled, so 27x. Which means you need to do 2 into 1 minus 3x plus 9x square plus 27x cube. So this will be 2 minus 6x plus 18x square plus 27x cube. Okay? Because you had 1 plus an x, right? And in this case, when you compare them, is 1. Okay, so the last one here is use the binomial expansion to show that square root of 1 plus x over 1 minus x is 1 plus x plus half x squared. Negative 3 over 2 and negative x whole square over 2 factorial. So when you expand this, this becomes, and this one is 1 plus x over 2 minus x square over 8. Okay, so which formula I used here? 1 plus x to the power of alpha, which is 1 plus alpha x plus alpha